what is going down, everybody? It is Momo T Amazing coming at you right now, and we are here at Disneyland. I'm here with my boy James. You already know we're gonna have a good time. It's supposed to rain, but who knows? It might not rain. Maybe it won't rain over Disneyland. We're here because maybe it will rain in other places in Anaheim. We'll see. Yeah, line looking good, y'all. We about to have a good day. Oh, this is my favorite drop! Yeah! See, every time I come over here, it just does not seem to work to see my picture because it just doesn't show up. Like, why, bro? Why? All right, so we went on a credit coaster. I couldn't film it because, you know, it's raining and nah. So we're about to go on Guardians of the Galaxy and I'm gonna film that for y'all. So stay tuned. Bomba clot. Rastafarian. Yeah, no rain yet, but we'll see. It's sprinkling, but I think that's all it's gonna do. That dog is tripping, man. It looks like a real dog. Is it a real dog?
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Perfect view.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. You, this guy. Hearing your incessant clattering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control.
This is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts the Show me those hands, people! You got clearance.
Go!
Okay,
raindrops keep falling on my head. And I still think about the times I owned it. What's the words? I don't know.
I don't even know. I'm humming it.
Because it's raining, I think we're gonna eat at Tiana's place. I haven't been here yet. It just opened in September, but it's time to try it. So let's do it. It's crazy because I thought this was like a sit-down restaurant, but I guess it's walk-up service. So I got me a little beignet, a lemon beignet. So we just do we just ask for whatever? Or what is what?
It's an entree.
Okay, what's the entree?
We have the Cajun half chicken,
Okay.
with mac and cheese, coleslaw, and pickle. Mozzarella, come with red bean and rice and pickle.
Can I get the chicken and mac and cheese? Or where's the gumbo? You can get gumbo too, or?
The gumbo, it's an entree.
Oh, so you can't get 2 entrees.
No, we cannot.
Yeah, got the shrimp and grits, lemon beignet. It's gonna be good, man. I'm excited. All right, y'all, we about to get on the Pirates. You know, I haven't been on this. I don't even think I vlogged this before, so this is the first time vlogging it. So y'all gonna see, you know, what the Pirates of the Caribbean ride is like. It feels so good in here, like. Now go ahead. What?
I was gonna say, I think this area is so like, I mean, because this is like long area.
Yeah, it's
And
captured
then
perfectly.
And then you go back over there, like towards like where we're going now. It's like the Caribbean.
Right.
It's like
Perfect. They did it perfect. I don't know. Disney is genius. That's so romantic. One day, y'all. One day. But not anytime soon. Oh! Uncle James, world.
We could get beignets on the walk back. Well, they closed last time we were walking.
Is this good?
This store, this one, right across from it is the Tiana store, and they sell the cafe de monde beignet mix. Really? That I want to stop by. It's kitty.
And Davy Jones waiting for them. What don't you pay?
Oh, nah, bro. Oh. Wait. Yo, hey. Okay, cool. I was thinking we was swimming. Jack Sparrow.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lover!
Hey, I just realized what they said. He said, I'll give you 10. He said, no, I'll give you 20 for the rum.
When ears and no mistake.
Oh, what'd you do? She about to beat that butt.
That scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it. Nor this here king.
That is comedy. This guy is singing right here. We're stuck. Alright, now that we're done with that, about to head on Star Tours. I swear we're taking advantage of all the indoor rides right now because... No.
Yes, sir.
That's just what you'd like me to do, isn't it? What you're up to.
But that's
See right through you.
Oh, really? What? We get to be in the front? Oh, yeah. See, it's gonna be fun. Wear my seatbelt on. Put that thing on, you know. Why can't I grab the shoes? Yeah. I'm dizzy. I don't know what. We done walked. Where are we? Hey, it's crazy. It's been forever since I've been on Rise of Resistance. So we're about to go on it right now. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Huh, James?
BB-8, prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
That's my favorite droid for sure.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara.
All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
Deck is in motion.
Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Yo cuando Antonio un iPad drive.
Yes.
Wait, I didn't even
Check the
notice that
hyperdrive
person in
also.
the back was there. What the heck? He about business right here. Oh, snap, bro. Hey, you gotta see this view. Like, this is crazy right here. It really feels like you in a Star Wars movie. Lit. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Here we go. It's funny, I'm wearing a Hey Arnold shirt, don't judge me. I could not find any Disney shirts today, so it's okay though, you know? I normally have Disney stuff on, but not today. Hey, you, what is this? Right, so don't, hey, he don't got Disney on either.
The resistance prisoners. You have what I want.
Oh, snap.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Alright, all cargo on the floor.
Still here? Those coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift.
Ever since
Head
I've been
down
on
to the
this.
escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out.
Oh! They trying to shoot us, bro. Get out of here.
does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction.
us?
Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
On the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Oh, no, bro. We're about to come after Carlo Red coming. Oh, God. Oh, no. That's scary. I don't care. This part right here. Yes. I told you.
Attention, all resistance personnel.
This is awesome, y'all. Hey.
There's no escape.
Oh, no.
Tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Whoa. That's scary. That's freaking scary. I don't care.
Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in.
Hey y'all, that was amazing. Hey, if you a big Star Wars fan, this ride is for you.
Bravo.
But it's for me too because I just love Disney all around. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video right now. But if you like this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the family. And I will see you in the next video. Yo, chill. It's raining, it's pouring. Momo is not snoring. Yo, it's crazy.